I'm making this video to show how to hide your business address on your Google My Business page. Now, there are many businesses that for one reason or another don't want to show their address on the search results. So for example, this one, they have their address showing. The next one also has their address here. And the third one also has their address here. Now, some businesses, especially smaller businesses, those that do work from home, those that don't have a set office address, they do prefer to not really show their address on their Google My Business page. There are many businesses that are actually taking clients in their home and they don't want for their address to be public. So here's what we do. There certainly is a way to not show your address, and this is perfectly fine. There's no penalty or anything. It's perfectly normal to not have your address displayed on your Google My Business page. So here's what we do. You would go to Google, you would type in your business name, and you would click on your profile link. Now, when on there, you would need to go to the hours and location section. And in the location section, here we can see the about, contact, location, hours, and more. We go to the location section, and in here, you can see there's a button to click. One option would give you fields to enter your business address, and another option would just allow for you to hide the business address. So when we hide the business address, we click on save and Google will not be displaying your address. Don't worry, this will not really change anything in a negative way. This will have absolutely no negative impact on your business performance on Google. If you need any help optimizing your page so that you could start getting more clients, so that more people could actually find you on Google, I would be happy to help you with that. Just hit me up and talk to you soon. I hope this helps.